As we run a quick benchmark on this computer here, I want to cover the DDR5 that we have in this computer. Now we have two 32 gigabyte sticks for a total of 64 gigabytes. Now something a lot of you have probably heard of are quote unquote universal parts. Like if we have a phone case as an example, there are certain universal phone cases, and then there are things that are dedicated for specific things, and this is dedicated for Intel CPUs. And G-Skill also makes some for AMD. Now, as you can see right here, Intel XMP 3.0 ready. Now, the cool thing about this is that they created some DDR5 that allows people to get very, 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 very stable XMP profiles. Forgot to say to like the video, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment.
I hate saying it just as much as you probably hate me saying it, but if I do not say it, like 1% of you will actually do it.
Like, subscribe, leave a comment, all that good stuff. And not only do you get extremely stable XMP profiles, but you can't really see in the case because it is a little bit dark, but you can see the heat sinks on this. There's two metal heat sinks on each side. There's one right here, and then there's one right here. Now, the RAM is heavy. It's very premium feeling. It's very quality. I like using the Lian Li case that's what I say about the Lian Li case as well. It feels very premium. It feels very quality. Now, the Height Y60 is the second favorite case. And then we have the NZXT H9. I forget what this is. So quick benchmark just to show you guys. This is 1440p. I'm definitely going to have to adjust my shutter speed. Sorry for that. So there's the numbers. We got minimum, average, and maximum. This is 1440p, medium settings. And then in the computer, we got a 14700K and RTX 4070. And overall, it's performing really, really well. But I just felt the need to make a video on this because it's cool that they're not being the universal brand. You know what I mean? They're actually making products that are specific. Now you can get the AMD kind and put it in a computer with an Intel and it's still going to work perfectly fine. But the thing is you're not going to be able to get, like if the owner ever decides to get another set of this to get 128 gigabytes of DDR5, he is going to be able to very easily get an XMP profile with 4 sticks of DDR5. And for those of you that are unaware, getting stable overclocks on memory with having 4 sticks in a computer is very, very difficult unless you get memory that you know is dedicated for the actual computer that you're doing. So you're gonna have to do some research on, like, if you get that RAM over there. The thing is I understand how this works, so I got the stuff that I needed to. But overall, man, I highly recommend this, and also recommend everything else in this computer.